Hello everyone and happy Friday. So as the title suggests, today I am opening my Love with Food box, and this just was delivered and I am hungry, so I'm like, why not? Let's open it up. Before we get started, just want to remind you guys I do have two giveaways going on. Yesterday I gave a little bit of wrong information. I said one of my giveaways was ending today, but it's tomorrow. It's, my Pure Mystery Bag giveaway ends tomorrow, the 9th. And then I also have my 2,000 subscriber giveaway ending at the end of the month, so I will leave those links down below. If you have not entered, you definitely should go check that out. But anyways, let's jump right into the box. So Love with Food is a snack subscription. It is super awesome. They have multiple plans available. I have the tasting box, which is the most affordable option. The tasting box starts at $7.99 and you get over seven or more surprise snacks. And they have another option available too, that's the deluxe version, so you get even more snacks. And then you also have a gluten-free option available. And I was just looking at their website to verify the pricing, and I guess they have a Valentine's Day sale going on right now. So if you purchase any 3-month plan for any of the boxes, you get a free Valentine's Day box. I think it's what it's called. Let me double check here. You get a free sweets box that has a $15 value with any 3-month or longer plan. And so that ends on the 17th of February. So if you're wondering, the deluxe box starts at $16.50 per month and the gluten-free box starts at $19.99. I do have a referral link, and this referral link will give you 40% off the deluxe box. I will leave that down below, and I don't make money or anything from it, but I do get a free snack box when you subscribe. So this is actually how I received this one. So thank you to whoever used my link. I hope you're enjoying your deluxe box. But anyways, let's see what's in here because I am starving. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. And I forgot to mention, so it reminds me right here. It says, "Thank you, you're awesome. This box helped in the fight against world hunger." So depending on what subscription plan you get, you at least give one meal to people who are hungry. So this is one of those feel-good boxes. Your purchase does something good for others. So there's a piece of paper in here. It says, "Love with Food by Snack Nation, better every day. Ready for your best year yet? The brightest moments of 2019 start with your smallest choices. Snack better, feel better, and be better every day." So I'm not sure if I really mentioned this, but the whole premise of this box is to try healthier, better for you, better ingredients, all of that. So try snacks, and then if you like them, you can purchase them usually with a discount on their website. So it's really nice to try things out before you get them at the store or order them online. So look how many goodies come in this box. It is jam-packed. So I'll show you what's in here so you can get a better idea. The first thing that I see is something I've tried before. This is by Legendary Foods, Tangy Ranch seasoned almonds. I love seasoned almonds. I like the smokehouse ones they sell at the grocery store. I can't remember the brand. Those are super good. But that is what that looks like. The only downside of these types of things is that it gets on your fingers, but you can just wash your hands, it's fine. So this is 230 calories, all that. So it's just almonds and then some seasoning. So this is super good. I really liked it when I tried it. The next thing I see is something I actually don't really love. It's one of the Seaweed Snacks. I know a lot of people like these. It's just not my thing. And I usually like most food. I don't know what it is. It's just like not crunchy enough for me or something. I'll try these out though. Maybe this kind's better. It's by Ocean's Halo, and this is wasabi flavored. It is USDA organic, non-GMO certified. That is what it looks like. And these are really low calorie, I believe. Yeah, just 25 calories for this whole entire pack. So if you like them, that's a really healthy snack. And then we have by Beechnut a Quinoa Crispies and vanilla flavor. It's made with natural ingredients. It has made with whole grain, real food promise. This looks good. I don't know why, but I always love things with quinoa, even when it's like not just traditional quinoa, even though I love that. I make it all the time at home. But like desserty type snacks. It's like instead of like a rice snack, it's quinoa instead, and that's healthier for you. I don't see calories or anything on here, but you can always go on the website and see. So yeah, again, that is what it looks like. That sounds really good to me. And then what is this? This is by Oskri, a sweet and salty peanut snack. It's vegan, gluten-free. So really all this contains is peanuts, rice syrup, date paste, and sea salt. This sounds so good. Oh my god, 120 calories. Awesome. This is a great little bar to have. Dates are a really good ingredient, like for vegan snacks, so like bind it, and they taste really good too. Now we have a fruit bar. I like these. This is by Hadar. It's 100% fruit. It's wild berry flavor. It's gluten-free, made with natural ingredients, all that. Let's see. It's only 45 calories. Yummy. I like this stuff. It always seems like fruit bars are made for kids, but I like them. Oh, I've tried these before. They are so good. This is a snackaroon. This is in lemon flavor. This is by Laughing Giraffe Organics. So this is a grab-and-go coconut snack for the whole family. It's, you know, like the name suggests, it's organic, raw vegan, gluten-free. I love like macaroons and all that stuff. This sounds so good to me. Oh my god. Well, I've had it before. I know it's good. And this is only 70 calories. Sorry, my nose itches. I keep itching it. Alright, looks like we have a few things left. This is a jalapeno lime classic tortilla chips. Yum. I love anything jalapeno. Right now in my fridge I have jalapeno hummus, which is my favorite type of Sabra hummus. And then I also have like Stacy's, I think this brand, the jalapeno pita chips. So I have those together. It's like, can't get enough jalapeno. It's so good. So this is made with organic yellow corn, non-GMO verified. 130 calories. I bet these are really good. I'm gonna open it and try one because I'm seriously starving. It seems like I always film these snack videos when I'm hungry. Oh my god, these are so good. I feel like I've had these before. Awesome. Next up, it's God, I don't know how to say this. I think it's like chocolate and French cioccolati biscotti made with real dark chocolate. Looks like it's kind of broken, but that doesn't matter to me. This is pretty big. That's what she said. Calories 170. I feel like these are good when you have coffee, but I'm sure it's good all the time. I love when there's something like a little bit chocolatey in here because I have a sweet tooth and I love to have, like, end like every meal with a little something chocolatey. So yeah, this looks good. It doesn't really say much else. This is being made by Noni's. It's artisan baked, Italian inspired. Awesome. So I think that was awesome. I think that's totally worth $7.99. And then you get to find out what you like, and then you can order online. And I love just having snacks around the house. Because a lot of times I'm just bad about like keeping stuff around, and then, you know, when I get hungry I make bad decisions. Like last night I ordered a pizza. But anyway, so we had the jalapeno chips, the biscotti thing, the snackaroon and lemon flavor, which sounds so good. I love lemon flavor stuff. Sweet and salty peanut bar, the quinoa Crispies and vanilla fruit bar. Ooh, these yummy almonds, ranch flavored. And then the one thing I'm not thrilled about, the only thing, is the wasabi flavored seaweed snack. But I'm gonna give it a shot. It'll probably be the last thing I try in here, but I don't know. I'll try and eat them and see if I like this flavor. But anyway, so that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will leave a link below, like I said. If you're interested, you can get 40% off on that deluxe box, or you can get any of the other ones. Just browse their website and see what they have. They have a lot of good snacks. They even have just a snack shop you can order snacks from. And I will leave the giveaway links down below too. So thank you so much for unboxing with me. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.